Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So in today's video, I'll show you how to enable 18 plus or sensitive content on Telegram. If you are getting the message, this channel can't be displayed or some channels are hidden due to sensitive content restrictions, then this video will help you. Firstly, open your Telegram. Now, at the bottom, tap on profile. Now tap on settings. Now tap on chat settings. Scroll down and tap on the toggle against show 18 plus content to turn it on. And after this, tap on confirm. Now go back to the home page. Once enabled, restart Telegram and open the channel again. The previously restricted content may now become visible depending on Telegram's policies and your reason. If the option still doesn't appear, make sure you are using the latest version of Telegram. You can also try logging out and logging back in. Please note that access to certain content may still be restricted based on local laws, platform rules, or Telegram's own policies. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can enable sensitive content settings on Telegram and fix the this channel can't be displayed problem. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.